One house there back of this?
Yeah, man. One more ghost house there right there, sir.
Who for house?
Ghost.
Ghost house there so.
Ghost was there.
And ghost house was sure.
And the next one next one up top right.
One next house up there so too?
Yeah, man, that was there too. Two concrete house was there.
Two concrete house was sure.
And one board one lick down. The one that they have back lick down.
Me not go no close. No, it's soft. It can't drop off. What is wrong with Melissa? Melissa come and just disturb the community. You understand? And go with people house. Good morning, guys. I am going to record the aftermath. Unfortunately, girl don't have no internet in Jamaica because of Hurricane Melissa. There's my mom. Because of Hurricane Melissa, I cannot record and post at the same time. So this is gonna be a pre-recording and then I can post it after. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please remember, click that subscribe button today and keep following your girl Alicia Christopher. I went to this school, Seaforth High School. This is the back gate. And we used to buy fried chicken and power bread. So this used to be my old school. That's the netball ground. Oh, girl. Oh, for the water tank here. Who for this? The water tank. Eh? We are walking on the back road. See, somebody Vince sink up. With hurricane, you have to do what you have to do. Yes, school. This is my school. This is my school, Seaforth High School. Good morning, goat. And this is a gully. And the little mongrel dog here just a bark for no reason. Blackout family reach for the star. Reach for the star. Blackout family. Miracle Ministry. Are your house? I record you, you know. So when the rain start fall and Hurricane Melissa come, what happened? The water just start coming by you?
No, busting the grind first.
Busting the grind first.
Busting the grind, it start wash the house, yeah.
Oh. Everything gone.
Everything.
You save some?
Huh?
You save some of it?
Yeah, man, furniture come out, man.
Furniture them come out. Yeah. Sad though. We're gonna look on it, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright. What your name?
They call it Raymond, not Ghost.
Then call him Raymond or Ghost. Me not go no close. Eh? No, it's soft. It can't drop off. You say, Mama?
Yeah, stand up out this now. Yeah.
Eh? A goose. Ah. So, who for house this? Mangoes. So, this is Mango's house. The next brother. Oh, God. What phone you have there?
Right there. Unless I go.
Yes, our phone you have there? Now what are they? What is wrong with Melissa? Melissa is not a nice person. The water, why the water never go over there, so it have to come here, so. And also there back at this?
Yeah, one more ghost also there right there.
Who for us?
Ghost.
Ghost also there, so. And ghost house Russia.
One next one up top right.
One next house up there, so too?
Yeah, man, that was too. Two concrete house washer.
Two concrete house washer.
And one board one lick down. The one that they have back lick down.
Yeah. What is wrong with Melissa? Melissa come and just disturb the community, you understand? And go with people's house. You hear what them say? Them say, oh, them take the sand and dig up the sand. So then dig up the sand and mess up the river.
And then for them mind the river, they mind the river bad.
Then do what?
They mind the river bad.
What can go so? But this is nice. She also live next door to this house. And she also affected over that side.
A 1 yard man.
A 1 yard. You know.
Brother and sister, niece and nephew.
Brother and sister.
Niece and nephew. Father and
Brother,
mother,
sister, niece and nephew. Now that guy. Hello. Nice house, you know. This white light wire come down in the road. Goat and dog is fighting. What can go so? I want the goat buck you. You're too little bit enough. To the rescue. Here I am. Want you to know now. Here I stand. So guys, I'm finished recording that house in the river. I was told that the crusher also contribute to it because they will come and they take sand. So these miners for the sand need to be very mindful of the effect of taking our precious sand from the river. You can't just be mining close to the resident. Why they never go over the other side? Over the bush. So 2 houses gone from 1 family. They managed to save some of the furnitures. You see, they realize the water is coming and they try to save some of their furnitures. So we have to be mindful of everything that we're doing. It's like everywhere we go a goat, You wanna know I love curry goat? That one you're pretty. That one you're pretty. Oh, and these ones pretty too. As I was saying, we have to be mindful of what we're doing in life, because everything we do have an after effect, and this is what's happening. You go back then. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. Bye, guys.